What if I told you every time someone visits your website, it releases carbon into the atmosphere? That's right, your website, yes, the one you built, the one you proudly built, might be contributing to the climate crisis. Just like factories and cars, websites give a carbon footprint. But here's the catch, you can measure it today. In this video, we are diving deep to your website's carbon score. What it is, how to test it, and most importantly, how to reduce it. Your website's carbon score. Test it now. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit subscribe to stay ahead with practical ecotech insights. Let's build a greener web together. Let's set the stage. Internet is not some magical cloud. It runs on physical infrastructure, massive data center, cables across ocean, and billions of devices. According to the International Energy Agency, digital technology accounts for nearly 4% of global carbon dioxide emissions, more than the entire airline industry. Every time someone loads your site, data is transmitted, processed, and stored, all of which requires electricity. And if that power comes from fossil fuel, boom, carbon emissions. Enter the website carbon score, a tool to measure how much carbon dioxide your site. It's kind of like a nutritional level, but for your website's environmental impact. The score considers page size, hosting location and energy source, user device energy, and even how efficient your code is. A typical site might emit around 1.6 grams of carbon dioxide per visit. That may sound tiny until you realize website can get millions of visits per month. In a few minutes, we will show you how to test your own site score in 10 seconds flat, and simple tweaks to make your site greener without losing speed or style. Stay with us because your site footprint might surprise you. How to check your website's carbon score? Ready to test your site score? Here is how. Step 1. Go to https www.websitecarbon.com. Step 2. Enter your website URL. Step 3. Click check and wait for a few seconds. You will see results like carbon dioxide per page view, green hosting status, site efficiency rating. If it says your site is cleaner than X number of tested sites, congrats. But if not, don't worry. We have got solution coming. Some real life example. Let's test some familiar websites. Amazon, heavy traffic and large images. Result to higher emission. Wikipedia, lightweight, text-based and super green. Even the internet giants struggle, but you don't have to. Here are 6 tips how to lower your website's carbon score. Here is how you can green your site today. Number 1. Switch to green hosting. Use providers that run on 100% renewable energy. Example, GreenGeeks, WebP hosting, or Google Cloud. Step 2. Compress images and videos. Use format like WebP or AVIF. A smaller page means fewer emissions. Number 3. Optimize code in scripts. Minify CSS and JS. Remove unused plugins or trackers. Lighter code means less processing. Number 4. Enable lazy loading. Load media only when needed, saves data and energy. Number 5. Use system fonts and SVGs. Skip loading bulky fonts or raster icon unnecessarily. Number 6. Reduce ads and third-party scripts. Ad network and trackers burn energy and compromise privacy. Why this matters? Why go green online? Because the digital world is growing fast. By 2030, global data traffic is expected to be triple. That's a huge opportunity and a massive risk. If every website made small changes, we could prevent millions of tons of carbon dioxide from entering to the atmosphere. And here's the best part. A greener website is often a faster website, better for planet, better for your user and better for SEO. So what's your website carbon score? Pause this video, Test it right now and drop your result in the comments below. We want to feature real viewer score in our next video. Also, if you are a developer, marketer or designer, share this with your team. Green web design is a growing field. Be the only who brings it to the table. Your website doesn't just reflect your brand, it reflects your values. With just a few changes, you can serve your audience and the earth. Comment your site score, like this video if you learned something new, subscribe for more digital sustainability tips, share this with anyone who owns a website. This is Green Circuit, your ultimate guide to a smarter, cleaner and digital world. Until next time, code cleaner, build smarter, and always think green.